I-MK Party isikwamukelile ukusayinwa kwe-Bela Bill umongameli uCyril Ramaphosa ngokuthi ikhiphe istatement se-media khona ngizosifunda njengoba sinjalo. Media statement date 12 September 2024. Umkhonto weSizwe Party position on the Basic Education Law Amendment Bill. The MK Party welcomes the passing of the Basic Education Laws Amendment Bill by the National Assembly as a crucial step towards advancing inclusive and quality education for all South African learners. There is nothing fundamental wrong with the Bela Bill. It must be signed into law. Parliament has undertaken all necessary consultative processes and received countless public submissions. It is therefore disingenuous of any to try and prevent a democratic legislative process. We strongly support the introduction of compulsory grade R education, recognizing its importance in setting a strong foundation for future learning. Furthermore, the move to regulate language policies in a school is a vital measure to ensure that no child is denied access to quality education based on language barriers. The MK Party welcomes the reduction of powers of school governing bodies and calls for even more decisiveness from government whilst maintaining community participation in school governance and promoting national objectives. Government should unapologetically guide the transformation agenda at the basic education level because sections of the white minorities have used basic education as an instrument of continued segregation, apartheid, and exclusion. We as MK Party associate with the notion that legislation alone cannot create relations or change attitudes, but it can set clear standards of acceptable behavior and provide redress for those who have suffered in the hands of others. If law can play a repression role by sanctioning racial segregation and discrimination as it has done in Nazi Germany, the American South, Rhodesia, and South Africa. It can operate with equal force in the opposition direction by declaring that equality of opportunity, regardless of race or color, is to be pursued as a major social objective. It is a statement of public policy by Parliament intended to influence public opinion. We urge the ANC-DA coalition government to ensure that the implementation of these changes is equitable and benefits the most disadvantaged communities in our society. The ANC-DA coalition should direct President Ramaphosa to assent to the bill without delay and respect the wishes of the majority of the people of South Africa as directed by the 6th Parliament resolution. iyona-ke incwadi-ke le ebibhalwe umkhonto wesizwe. Angazi-ke wena-ke ukuthi-ke ungaphawula-ke uthini-ke ngale ncwadi-ke. Sesiyohlangana-ke kuyona-ke i-commentary box lapha ngezansi sizwe ukuthi wena yini-ke oyicabangayo ngale ncwadi ebhalwe i-MK Party.